Aloha and welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel where we day trade for ROI payout, no trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal, and we're going to talk about price action, order flow levels for Friday, Cinco de Mayo. And we do have non-farm payroll news catalyst at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I've got some charts. We'll talk about price action, imbalances, draws on liquidity, order flow levels. But the most important thing I want to express is time of day, time of week, and knowing when to stay in cash. It's my top trade setup because day trading does not mean trading every day. And I've been really trading a lot on Thursday and FOMC Wednesdays. So I put a stop on the time based on time of week, and I'm protecting the weekly ROI bag. That's the number one thing to do here for me Friday, based on the chart action that I started to see here in the Thursday afternoon price action and going into the Globex. So let's get right to it and go to the charts. Cinco de Mayo Friday, we've got the 24-hour chart here, and it's Friday. Globex New York midnight has already happened, and that comes in at 4192.25 right here, this line. So about 16 handles for handle range so far. And what I want to point out is this red rectangle. This is a volume imbalance where two candle bodies don't touch. And that happened on Wednesday and Thursday. You see the wicks overlap, but not the bodies. So that's an important gap. And I am absolutely not trading Friday, but I'm going to observe this gap. And the top of the gap comes in at 41.08. And then there's another one from the Tuesday, Wednesday, and the top of that gap is 41.37. Below, we've got the sell side liquidity double low. So we had that for May 4th, Thursday, and that was also hit on April 26th. So this also has confluence with the year-to-date anchored VWAP, and it's in the zip code for the Q1 T+2 close level. And then below this, we've got this 24-hour fair value gap that was created on the March 29th. Nothing makes me want to press a button based on this chart. Next chart. 4-hour charts really not showing me any difference here. A little bit about the gap sizes are different here on this 4-hour, but I want to just follow up with watching what I pointed out on the 24-hour, and I'm going to watch these levels on the 4-hour in addition. Let's go to the 15 minutes, see if there's any extra info we can glean on that. 15-minute charts. Basically same thing, except I added the new day open gap. So when Asia opened here, what we had was immediately filling that gap. And again, that's how we got the 16 handle range so far in Globex. It's the new week open gaps from March 6. Above it, we got the 4-hour fair value gap transposed on this 15-minute chart, and then a prior new week open gap. And you can see last night's Thursday, Globex did not hit that new week open gap. The high just couldn't get it done. And then we just totally gave up the ghost, broke this new week open gap. So this is the level right here that if the bulls want to reset at the end of the week, they need to clear 40.89 and stay above it. And below it is 40.86.75. So that'll be the real test. And then above it is this 4-hour fair value gap, and the top of that comes in at 41.30.50. It's all about protecting ROI payout for this week and living another week. Take care. Aloha.